Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the topic Advanced Features of Windows 7. Okay. In this previous classes, you have learned more about Windows 7. In this chapter, you will study some advanced features of Windows 7. So, what are the advanced features? Okay. The first one, libraries in Windows 7. Okay. Second one, organized files or folders in Windows Explorer. Third one, create shortcut on desktop. Fourth one, on screen keyboard. Fifth one, changing the view files and folders, viewing the properties of files and folders. The next one, grouping files or folders. The last one, CD, ROM or DVD burning information. So we are going to learn this topic. Okay, Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a program used for viewing files and folders in this computer. Okay, it is a unique program that helps us to organize and view files and folders that are stored in different drives of the hard disk. Okay, shall I how to open the Windows Explorer option shall I show to you now and demo. Okay, so what we want to do, the first one, okay, we have to go to press start button. Okay, I have to come to desktop now first. Okay, so you have to minimize all the opened application now. Okay, what are the applications you open? No, everything you have to minimize. Okay, first of all, then go to press start button. Okay, when you press the start button means this informations will come. Then following that you have to go to all programs. Okay, you have to go to all programs and that accessories. Okay, in this which one? See here, Windows Explorer option is available. Okay, when you click the Windows Explorer option means the window will be open. Okay, the first window will be open. So in this is the library option. Okay, see here the topic is there, the library. Okay, so in this library, document, music, picture and videos, this folder is there. Okay, this folder is there. So everything maintaining different kinds of a format. Okay, so document means only we having the files, that mean Windows, Microsoft Office Word or PowerPoint, MS Excel file we can keeping there. Okay, music means all the MP3 informations. Okay, we are hearing songs, no, that one. And pictures means JPG files. Okay, what are the photos we taken from our camera, mobile or a DSLR camera, wherever, or taking this screenshot, snapshot, whatever it is. Okay, everything we can keeping in picture. And videos. Okay, you know the very well the videos, that everything we can keeping in separate folder. That folder name only is called here document, music, picture and videos. These information where it is containing, okay, that place is, the general name is called library. Understood? After that I'm going to show briefly how to viewing the files. Okay, now I'm going to open in libraries, document, music, picture, videos is there. Now I said no, in this picture. Okay, so sample picture is there. No, I'm going to take the sample pictures. Okay, it's look like the first time, it's look like what format means detailed format. Okay, what is that? Detailed format is there. So now I'm going to show one by one. I'm taking content, tiles, details, list, small icons, medium icons, large icons and extra large icons. So one application, one topic we having different operations. Okay, so what are the operations, what are the benefit is there, I will show you now. Okay, the first I come from extra large icons. Okay, extra large icon. When you click the extra large icons means then automatically your folder will be open. Okay, so you no need to click, no need to open separately. If you clicked means, okay, it will come like this and we can see without opening the file. Okay, so this file name what and what pictures we having, everything we can see easily. Okay, it come one by one. Okay, yeah, this is called what? Extra large icon, where we found that in this place. More option is there, no, in that place. Okay, understood? Okay, the next one, large icon. Next one I told you, no, the large icons. Okay, what the positions we having, no, from this position I will do the next option, large icons. See the difference. Okay, so now see here, when I change it to, when I clicked to large icons, mean then automatically this image is shrinked to the next level. See here, I'm going to click large icon. See here, it is the automatically the image size will be reduced. Okay, so this is called what? Large icons. Before that what we seen, extra large icon, and this one large icon, and I'm going to select the next one, medium icon. See here, see the difference. This is the medium icons. Okay, the next option, small icon. When you click the small icons means the images will not be appear. See here, the image will not be appear, only the icon name only will, general icon name will become, then name of the image will come. Okay, then we can find through that name. Okay, so after that list is there. A list means, see here, like that, one by one. Okay, before that it will come from left side to right side. After that it will come the next line, but when you selected the list means all the images are come by the next line. Okay, next line. The next one, details. Details means, see here, the same options only, the same name, the same image only, but extra informations came. Okay, what are the information? The name of the file. The next one, when you created that file. Okay, when you copied from that any other places to saved here, or you created here. Okay, so that will come, so that will show in date. The next one, tag. Tag means the extra informations will come. The what is the tag means, unspecified. That means what is that? When you where you taken that photo in your mobile, you are open that what is that, locations mean, that locations also will come in the tag option. Okay, yeah, so in which place you are taken that photo, okay, the locations, everything will come. Then the size of the images. Next one, the size of the images and rating. Okay, so many people's they given the rate for that images. Okay, if you are downloading from the internet means that particular image, some people's what rate given. Okay, that will come here. If you also given this 5-star means, okay, that automatically the 5-star, when you open that internet means, when you uploaded the image to internet means, so it will automatically the star will be added in the internet. Okay, this is the informations of the details of your viewing option. The next one, tiles. Okay, see here, the tiles also it is look like a, what is that, look like a small icons. Okay, yeah, the same information, but that same information, that JPG, what format, the name of the image and the kilobyte of the image, everything will come in that tiles also. Then content. Okay, the content also it will be what is that, it is dividing some columns or names. Okay, so it is arranging look like a good. Okay, so these are the information is used to viewing the options of your images. Understood, student? Okay, if you are having any doubt means go to previous, in which place you having a doubt, no, check that, then automatically you can understand easily. Okay, the next topic, organize. Okay, organize files or folders in Windows Explorer. Okay, Windows Explorer, not Internet Explorer. Okay, don't confuse it. Okay, Internet Explorer is different, then Windows Explorer is different. Okay, so next topic, organize files and folders. Okay, in Windows Explorer, where it is it? Okay, above the criteria, above the particular place, and below the menu bar. Okay, below the menu bar we having that organize button. Okay, so in this organize button, when you click that organize buttons mean we having a more options: cut, copy, paste, undo and redo, select all, layout, folders and search option. Folders and search options available. Okay, in this place only we can using the many different operations. Okay, so we can see use the menu bar we need or not, everything option we can do using the layout option. Okay, when you click the layout options mean the menu bar tick options will be available. Okay, when you untick that bar means the menu bar will be go. Okay, again you clicking that layout option and menu bar mean it will come. Next topic, The next one, creating new folder. Okay, creating new folder. Okay, nowadays all the students, all the peoples, they know very well how to create a new folder in mobile and computer. Okay, but in this chapter we having a two method for opening new folder. Okay, two method for creating a new folder. One using mouse, another one using keyboard. Okay, raise your hands who and all know how to create a new folder using the mouse. Okay, raise your hands. You know means okay, good. And how many people know how to create a new folder using keyboard? Don't know. Okay, so now I'll tell you both also. I will tell you. Okay, three ways there. Okay, using mouse two way and using keyboard one way. Okay, so I'm turning. Okay, I'm scrolling. I'm I'm rotating the mouse now. See here, I'm rotating now. Okay, when you click here means right click. Okay, when you click the right mouse button, okay, then automatically new option is there. No, when you click the new option, then automatically the first preference is given to creating a new folder. Okay, when you click that options mean automatically it will be arranged to in alphabetical order. After B, after F, it will come, after that M, the new folder N will come. Okay, for the new folder we given the name of the folder name. Okay, 7th standard. Okay, 7th standard I created now. Okay, yeah, so this is the one way. Another one way, it is available below of the menu bar. New option is the organize button, after that share with, after that new. Okay, new folder. When you click the new folder mean again it will come. Okay, 7th standard is there. No, like the same 7th standard 1 I created. Okay, when you click somewhere means automatically it will come. Okay, this is the second way. Okay, what is the third way? Okay, what is the third way? I will show you. Okay, so in your keyboard, okay, in your keyboard right side, okay, in right side, see here. So now I opened on screen keyboard now for the demo purpose. Okay, I've opened on screen keyboard. In this, how to, when you click the keyboard button mean, then automatically the new folder will be created. That options will be, I will show you now. Okay, yeah, so where means see here, this is the space bar, the right side and the left side both also alternative button. Okay, alt button is there. Near of the alt button one option is there. Okay, it is useful for click the right click option. Okay, when you select the mouse button it is a left click. Okay, this button is denoting it is a right click on the folder. Okay, see here I'm going to select the one folder and I'm not click on this folder. Okay, I'm going to click the right click option. Okay, when you click the right click option mean the options of the folder will come. Okay, see here options of the folder. You want to open that folder, open a new window, upload to TinyTech or something, it will come, the informations of the folder will come. Okay, like that will come. Okay, so I'm going to click in some empty place. Okay, and I'm going to click that right click on the keyboard. Okay, I'm going to right click on the, you should not click open that on screen keyboard and click this button. Okay, should not do this. Okay, for the demo purpose, which key you want to press in keyboard, it will come, the new folder options will come on. That I'm going to show to you. Okay, so when you click that buttons mean, then automatically the options will come. Okay, view, sort by, group by, refresh, share with, new. Okay, new came, no. Okay, after that new came means then you have to press down arrow button. Okay, down arrow key. When you cursor is came to new option, then you have to press what is that, right arrow key, then give enter. Then system asking the name of the new folder. Okay, again 7th standard 2, already 7th standard is there, 7th standard 1 is there, then 7th standard 2. Okay, then when you click that enter button mean the new folder will be created. Like this you have to open a new folder. Understood? The next topic, okay, the next topic, renaming files or folders. Okay, renaming files and folders. How to rename the files I will show.